What's up, guys? In today's video, we will be opening this thing over here. It's me and my monkey toy. So we're gonna open it. He's throwing it in the air. We'll be right back. All right, we opened it. We opened its mouth. That sounds weird. We opened its mouth. So.
Ew.
What is that? Is that dust?
I think so. Yeah, I ain't showing them.
I think that's... Oh. Okay, it's spitting it out. We're throwing up. Wait, you said you were going to, do that when it's open. Jonathan. Do this. You said to do this.
No, I can't because it's going to go off on me.
So we got it more open. Now it's just spitting it out. Oh. Oh. Oh my god.
Ew, don't touch that.
Oh.
Move. Show them.
So here we have it. And the rest on the floor.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hold on. Hold up. Got some sand in my freaking slippers. I don't know if it's actually dust. I mean sand.
Probably is.
It's either dust or sand.
Ready?
Hold on. Just taking out the dust or sand. By the way, we could do it again, but he's only getting one more, so we can't really do that.
See what other color there is instead of white. Ew, Tommy.
Wait, imagine there's more colors. Me, my 14. Yo, what the heck? Well, he dead anyway. We were playing with him. Not like that way. That sounded weird. There's still dust in my freaking... Me and my monkey. Monkey doesn't sexy with dances. So... Square gang for life. That sounded so weird. I'm an old gang for life.